Well, hello graduates, family members, and friends. Although we can't be together in person right now, we are coming together to virtually celebrate all of our graduating students of 2020. I am Tracy Gendron, Chair of the Department of Gerontology, and on behalf of all of the faculty and staff, I want to tell you that we are incredibly proud of each of you and all the work that you have accomplished. You have amazed us with your commitment and your passion for aging, with your advocacy efforts to make the world a better place to age and Richmond a better place to age, and with your creativity and innovation that helps us all grow in new ways. You're not only gerontologists, now you're VCU gerontologists. One wonderful thing about coming to the VCU Department of Gerontology is that you never really leave. You're now joining our esteemed group of alumni, and as alumni, we count on you to continue to be engaged and to be active. We want to take a few moments now to celebrate and recognize each one of you. So we are going to share the incredible stories that you wrote and shared with us, and we are going to applaud you for all that you have accomplished and achieved during your time with us. So let's get started.
Great. Just to let everyone know, we're going to begin with our master's students and then recognize our certificate students, and all students will be recognized in alphabetical order. So this year, we are celebrating the accomplishments of 11 Master of Science in Gerontology students. Shannon Arnett. In Shannon's words, during my exciting time in this program, I have been given immeasurable opportunities to impact those within our older population in various ways. For example, I was the contributing author of Ageism in the Doctor's Office, an article meant to address our healthcare providers' prejudice that is taking place against older adults that seek their care. Along with this, I have been interning with a national cooperation to assist them with refining their current policies and procedures so that they may have a gerontological approach when navigating the needs of their clientele. Finally, I am working on a university initiative to improve the age inclusivity of our institution by working on a committee committed to Virginia Commonwealth University becoming a certified age-friendly institution. As for my next steps, I hope to continue my work of advocacy through policy and procedural changes that will benefit all that are aging. Shannon has been awarded the Walters Wilkerson Award, which is in recognition of a Master of Science in Gerontology student who demonstrates outstanding contribution to the professional field of gerontology.
Next is Audra Bakaitis. In her own words, I will be taking everything I've learned at VCU into my next career when I refire to support adult children navigating through their parents' aging process. All of the support from VCU staff and faculty has been instrumental in going forward with these tools to make my third career possible. I look forward to sharing my knowledge and honesty and helping others make the process of the aging experience celebratory.
These are the words of John Countryman. Needless to say, my major accomplishment is completing the MS degree, thanks so much to our sterling faculty and my talented classmates. Beyond that, I've been conducting story-based programs in assisted living communities and investigating opportunities for intergenerational work. I'm currently enrolled in the International Certificate in Intergenerational Learning program through the University of Granada, Spain, and Generations Working Together in the United Kingdom. I am a member of the Life Planning Network, a professional organization committed to helping people in the second half of life, and I'm looking into end-of-life doula training.
I'll be reading Emily Foreman's words. I love community. My passion is to work within community and focus upon partnership, development, and program enhancement with a gerontological lens. I love building bridges where they don't exist and watching as dynamic new ways of service delivery occur and outcomes end up being better than ever. The community work I did as an Age Wave scholar further pushed me in this direction and helped craft my project leadership skills. My hope is these bridges and these connections will bring community to more people so that all may grow older feeling more supported, safer, heard, and connected to all that makes us well in every sense of the word. I would love to stay connected with the VCU Gerontology Department through projects and other related work. I stay inspired and will always remain inspired from my time in this program and with every amazing professor and peer student. It was truly a family. Emily has been awarded the Kathy Saunders Center Gerontologist Award, which is in recognition of a Master of Science in Gerontology student's long-standing contribution to the field of gerontology.
In the words of graduate Yemi Kwan, the dire situation we find ourselves in now reminds us again that ageism and racism are truly global challenges. I pray that the Lord will bless and strengthen us to get through this ordeal, and let us make a small act of kindness every day to show that we care. Following graduation, I engage myself in research and pursue a doctoral degree.
In the words of Jenai Lofty, first and foremost, my greatest accomplishment in my graduate school career is becoming a part of a family of gerontology professionals that serve as a significant part of my support system. With the leadership and friendship of my professors and peers, I've been able to define myself as a community gerontologist. As for my career, the gerontology program has allowed me to pivot from 10 years of experience in long-term care to a more natural fit with a community focus. I have had the privilege of making an impact as part of the Richmond City Office of Aging and Disability Services. I have since returned to enterprise community development to an expanded role as a network manager that includes 3 senior properties. Here I have found my work family, and I'm looking forward to a long future in this role. Jenai was awarded the Marianne Cotter King Award. The Marianne Cotter King Award is in recognition of a Master's of Science in Gerontology student who demonstrates outstanding contribution to the study of recreation, leisure, and optimal aging. Also awarded the Iris A. Parham Award, which recognizes a Master's of Science in Gerontology student's unique contribution to the field of gerontology.
In the words of student Hannah Maria, I joined the Gerontology MS program as a remote student living in New York and moved to Virginia for a year to take classes in person. The move gave me the opportunity to connect closely with my professors and the fellow graduate students in the field. This program validated my passion for caring for the senior population and has given me the blueprint I need to become a licensed nursing home administrator. I've pushed myself harder than ever to succeed, and it has paid off in scholarships and self-confidence. I plan to continue working towards my NHA license for New York State and have my gerontology family to thank for the support and guidance that's been given to me. Hannah was awarded the Guy M. Kinman Award for Inclusive Gerontology in recognition of a Master of Science student who endeavors to study diversity in aging.
These are the words of Brooke Saba McDowell. Since joining the department, Brooke has uncovered a love for academics. She won a grant at a VCU Da Vinci Center Startup Weekend competition, earned a leadership fellowship, the Byron Fellowship, a research position, and a series of awards and scholarships, including those from the VCU Foundation, Teresa Thomas Scholar Award, and the Commonwealth Award in Allied Health. Brooke was also afforded the opportunity to travel for credit to New Mexico to study regenerative architecture, the Netherlands and Denmark to study human-centered urban design, and back and forth to New England to build her gerontological and entrepreneurial networks. Going forward, Brooke will be attending the VCU Wilder School for a second master's in urban and regional planning, concentrating on environmental planning with the intent to bridge the gaps between VCU campuses and 2 disciplines: design and create cities where all people have the chance to age optimally with joy and equity.
Mm-hmm.
Brooke has been awarded the A.D. Williams Award in recognition of outstanding academic and professional performance by a Master of Science in Gerontology student, and was awarded as a recipient of the Gerontology Student of the Year Award in recognition of outstanding scholastic achievement and demonstrated service in gerontology.
And I will now read the words of Carrie Scharf. I will graduate this summer with my MS in gerontology. This degree will allow me to advance my career in the healthcare industry in which I am currently employed. I plan to study and sit for my certified case manager certification to further enhance my skills and knowledge base. This has been a challenging semester due to COVID-19, but I feel more confident than ever that the role of a case manager is extremely important. The field has evolved and will continue to do so to adapt to the needs of an aging population. There could not be a better time to develop new skill sets and new ways to reach older adults using innovative methods.
In the words of Harrietta Debbie Ward, at the age of 62, I entered the MS in Gerontology program a year after graduating from Virginia Commonwealth University with a BA in African American Studies. As a gerontology student, I have served as the administrative coordinator for the Greater Richmond Age Wave Coalition, which is as I complete my practicum as a long-term support services intern for Richmond nonprofit organization Family Lifeline, I am excited to refocus my time and attention on sharing the knowledge I have learned in this program. I will share my passion for creating safe and inclusive spaces free from fear of discrimination based on age, race, class, gender, and sexual orientation for older adults within the Greater Richmond area and our surrounding vicinity. I'm guided by realizing that each day is a gift and looking forward to continuing to live my best life each day. Debbie has been awarded the Age Wave Scholars Award, which is in recognition of a Master's of Science Gerontology student exemplary service in partnership to further the mission of the Greater Richmond Age Wave Coalition Longevity Project to make our region a great place for all people to grow old. In addition, Debbie has been awarded the 2020 Student of the Year Award in recognition of outstanding scholastic achievement and demonstrated service to gerontology. Congratulations, Debbie.
Haley Wilson is graduating with a Master's of Science in Gerontology. She focused in long-term care administration and completed her practicum at the Woodland. She was offered and accepted a job at the Woodland within the admissions department. She continues to complete her administrator in training and plans to sit for her LNHA in the fall of 2020.
This year, we are celebrating the accomplishments of 8 Certificate in Aging Studies students. The students who are graduating this year come from our joint programs with the School of Social Work and the School of Pharmacy. Jonathan Bishop, graduating with his MSW and Certificate in Aging Studies. In his words, as those aspiring to serve the aging population, it is important for us to remember that aging is a normal and beautiful part of the human experience. If we spend our whole lives fearing or dreading it, we may never know what it looks like to experience the joys and wonders that come with aging. The plan after graduation is to provide further support and psychoeducation to caregivers who care for individuals living with Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Jonathan has received the first ever Certificate in Aging Studies Student of the Year Award, which is in recognition of outstanding scholastic achievement and demonstrated service in gerontology.
Jordan Rumke is also graduating with her MSW and her Certificate in Aging Studies. Jordan says, after 2 years of hard work and tremendous support from all of my loved ones, I am now graduating with my Master's of Social Work and a Joint Certificate in Aging Studies. I am still working out the details due to the coronavirus outbreak, but if all goes as planned, I should be starting a new job with a local hospice organization in the near future.
Taylor Atkins has graduated with their PharmD and in Aging Studies. In Taylor's words, completing the Certificate of Aging Studies in combination with my PharmD has prepared me to start a PGY1 residency at the Hunter Holmes McGuire VA Medical Center in Richmond, Virginia, starting this July. I am interested in specializing in chronic disease management and geriatric care. I am so excited for this opportunity to give back to our veterans and to further my education.
In Wenli Chang's words, I am so grateful for the opportunity to pursue the Certificate in Aging Studies while studying for my doctorate in pharmacy. I am excited to incorporate my knowledge in aging studies in my profession as a community pharmacist. I would like to thank my family, friends, and faculty for their continuous support.
In the words of Lauren Cooper, a thanks to everyone in the Certificate of Aging Studies program. This was a wonderful experience. I learned a lot and met some amazing people. This June, I am starting a PGI-1 residency with Harnett Health in North Carolina to explore different pharmacy practice settings and solidify my interests. I am planning to take a geriatrics elective rotation. Anyways, thanks again and good luck to everyone.
And these are the words of Danielle Hess, who's graduating with a PharmD degree and an Aging Studies certificate. With the completion of my PharmD and the Certificate in Aging Studies program, I am headed to the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota to start a PGY1 residency in July. I plan to specialize in ambulatory care pharmacy, which will allow me to aid in the management of chronic diseases. As a gerontologist and a pharmacist, I look forward to working with my future patients to understand their individual goals and to aid in the process of aging successfully while combating stereotypes that are associated with age.
Victoria Hammond says, I'm excited to say I'm graduating with the PharmD Certificate in Aging Studies. After graduating, I plan to move to Charlottesville, Virginia, and I will be one of the pharmacy residents at Centera Martha Jefferson.
And finally, Sydney Omohundro, who's also graduating with her PharmD and Aging Studies certificate, says, in addition to obtaining my Doctor of Pharmacy degree, I chose to pursue the Certificate of Aging Studies. Taking these additional classes not only helped me become a more well-rounded pharmacist, but also taught me important life lessons and skills. I look forward to carrying this information forward in my career as a pharmacist and as a PGY1 pharmacy resident at Enrico Doctors Hospital this upcoming year. Finally, we would like to say a very special congratulations to Dr. Sadashiv Agarwal, who completed his PhD in health-related sciences in 2020. As you all celebrate this amazing milestone in your life, know that all faculty and staff in gerontology are here with you with heartfelt wishes for a bright future as a VCU gerontologist. Congratulations again to all of you. We can't wait to have the opportunity to celebrate in person, and we wish you well. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, everybody.
So exciting.